Allahu Ekber, Allahu Ekber.
Where are you from?
Turkey,
Turkey.
Turkey.
Turkey. Okay, just I am
Türkiye, Türkiye.
Turkey. Okay. I have understood.
Türkiye.
Okay, just I am talking to you from Bangladesh. This is our beautiful country, Bangladesh. Do you know our country, Bangladesh?
No.
Oh,
No,
okay.
no.
Okay, nice to meet you. Already I have followed you. Okay, nice to meet you. Just Turkey. I know.
Turkey, no. Türkiye.
What? Please, once again.
Turkey, no. Bak. Türkiye.
Turkey. Yeah, of course. I have understood. Turkey.
Türkiye değil. Türkiye, no. Türkiye.
Okay. Thank you so much. I have understood. Okay. Basically,
Yes.
can you speak English?
Sen ver.
Can you speak English fluent?
Little bit.
Little bit.
Little bit. 10 kere söyle. 1 kere söyle.
Okay. Just what is your favorite hobby? Little bit English. I am asking short questions. Your favorite hobby?
Shut up.
Oh.
Shut up. Please shut up. Sus aşko.
Okay. How do you spend your free time? Most of the free time when you get. How do you pass your daily life, your every single day? Will you inform me? Yeah?
Allahu Ekber, Allahu Ekber. Efendim hoş geldin. Teşekkür ederim. Bu ne diyor arkadaşlar?
Allahu Akbar means you take 5.
Yes, Allahu Ekber.
Oh.
Yani sabır, sabır.
Sabır.
At kafası.
Oh.
At kafası mısın?
Means you take 5 times prayer every single day.
Ne var? Allah'ım kafayı yiyeceğim. Sen şimdi at kafası mısın? Müdür hoş geldin. You at kafası. He?
Oh. Really?
O zamanda hayatını öğrenmeye vakit ayırır mısın diye. No, ayıramam. No, ayıramam. Senin için hiç ayıramam hem de.
Can you speak Arabic language? Can you speak? Or Urdu language?
Arabik şarap. Ben Arabik konuşmayı hiç bilmiyorum. Gel seninle aşk hoca konuşacağız. Aşk hoca biliyor musun aşk hoca?
Oh, just I can speak two.
Do you speak aşk hoca?
Okay, 3 languages I know. English, Urdu, and Arabic. And Bengali. I know 4 languages. To speak, I can speak. Okay?